Welcome to another Law Society online message, something I'm sure you're all becoming familiar with as we embrace this new technology. The very fact that solicitors of New South Wales make up 43% of the national profession means that it is imperative for the Law Society of New South Wales to constantly engage and work its connections at both the national and international level. The Law Society's constant focus is on adopting strategies that will enhance the profile of the local profession, protect the rule of law, and capture the benefits of national and international expertise so that the profession in this state continues to be the hub of national legal activity. In order to help build and consolidate our international relationships, I was privileged enough to be able to attend the 4th Annual Bar Leaders Conference in Paris, an event which brings together leaders of the profession from across the world to exchange ideas. What this trip demonstrated more than anything is the sheer breadth and strength of the legal profession in this country. Australia is by far leading the rest of the world and can boast the best practices in areas such as equal opportunity, pro bono and the rule of law. The strength of the Law Society of New South Wales was also recognised during this trip. Meetings were held with the Attorney General of England Wales, Baroness Scotland, and with the Law Society of England Wales, and what became evident during these meetings is just how closely the movements and direction of this organisation are followed by international member associations, particularly our ability to harness and act upon issues of relevance to the community and the legal profession. But what makes the Law Society of New South Wales such a respected member association on the international stage is its collective strength and its representation of the profession. The renewal period for the Society will shortly come to an end, and so far over 94% of the profession in New South Wales have chosen to be members of this organisation. This means that the Society has succeeded in maintaining its high levels of voluntary membership and in global terms continues to be seen as one of the leading legal professional associations in the world. The strength that this membership affords the Society to lobby on behalf of the profession on both the state and federal level cannot be underestimated. It is through collective representation that the legal profession is able to maintain its strength and voice, and it is because of its successful membership that the profession of solicitors in this state continues to be consulted on state and national level about law reforms in this country. This is particularly important considering moves at a national level that seek to give rise to a national profession. It is also because of the Society's public standing that its opinion was recently sought in relation to the federal government's contribution to the legal profession. In an interview given to the Australian Financial Review about the Attorney General's performance so far, I applauded the way in which the government, through Robert McClelland's leadership, has reconnected itself to the legal profession. The big lessons learnt from the cases of Dr. Mohammed Hanif and David Hicks is that the government and the legal profession must stand united where the rule of law is concerned and ensure that there is constant vigilance when it comes to human rights practice. Robert McClelland has been a great advocate of the rule of law, and his consultative approach with the legal profession has helped heal the government's relationship with the profession. This is timely and necessary given the regulatory progress that needs to be made on a national front to establish a national profession, an issue that had for years languished on the previous government's agenda as a loose aspiration until now. Most recently, I had the privilege of walking side by side with Robert McClelland during Law Week's Walk for Justice, where he is more than willing to provide a national voice to this event and highlight the importance of pro bono work to the profession, an issue that he is very passionate about. It is through his leadership on such issues that will allow the legal profession in Australia to continue to be a leader on the world stage. Speaking of access to justice issues, the Law Society of New South Wales has been working very closely with the various bodies that make up the New South Wales Legal Assistance Forum to raise awareness about how stretched legal resources have become throughout rural and regional New South Wales as a result of the global financial crisis. The Law Society has thrown its full weight behind NLAF, in order to help facilitate ways of getting more solicitors to work out in the regions and better target financial legal assistance to the areas that need it most. If any members of the legal profession need any reminder about the benefits and breadth of experience that working in the regions affords, one only need examine the successful careers of those practitioners who have practiced away from the CBD. Notably, the most recent example is the success of our own former President, John North, who as of 29 July will join the bench as a judge at the New South Wales District Court, and I extend my congratulations to him. Just a quick reminder that the Law Society's 125th birthday is fast approaching. I'd like to take this opportunity to urge all members of the legal profession to get involved and join in the festivities to mark this important milestone. The guest speaker for the evening will be the Honourable Michael Kirby, and invitations will be mailed out shortly. Finally, thank you to all who have donated so far to this year my chosen charity, the AIDS Council of New South Wales. So far we have raised over $4,000. I look forward to updating you further in the next few weeks about movements in the legal profession. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.